Some scholars say that all the conversations in the Qur'an and the hadiths being in Arabic is the case, and that Arabic is the language of the hereafter. Is it okay to say Arabic is the language of Allah? What is meant by such a question? Allah Azza wa Jal is not limited to a specific language, so we cannot say that this is the language of Allah per se. However, all languages are the languages of Allah. Allah Azza wa Jal created these languages and enabled us to speak with them. But if your question is implying that whether Arabic is the language of the hereafter, of paradise, the language which Allah will speak on the day of judgment to the people with, this is something we have no evidence to back it up, to confirm that yes it is or no it isn't. Some scholars say that all the conversations in the Qur'an and the hadiths being in Arabic, and Allah selecting Arabic to be the eternal language of the Qur'an, insinuates that this is the case, and that Arabic is the language of the hereafter. But again, there is nothing concrete that we can base this allegation on, and hence we cannot confirm nor deny.
Sheikh, unfortunately there are so many brothers and sisters who doesn't know Arabic, and because they don't know Arabic, there's a high chance that they make grammatical error in the prayer, in azkar, and etc. And they don't follow Quran because they don't know Arabic, and if they don't read the translation. So in order to avoid errors and to following the Quran without the translation, is Arabic mandatory?
No, Arabic is not mandatory, and whatever mistakes they fall into unintentionally and unwillingly, this falls under the last ayah of Surah Al-Baqarah, where Allah says, رَبَّنَا لَا تُؤَاخِذْنَا إِن نَسِينَا أَوْ أَخْطَأْنَا. Oh Allah, don't hold us accountable if we were to forget or to make an error. So making a mistake or an error unwillingly, unintentionally, this is not sinful. And we cannot obligate people to learn Arabic, which is not mandatory upon them. Yes, it's highly recommended. Are they rewarded? Definitely, big time. And I tell this to everyone who does not know Arabic. Akhi, strive to learn Arabic to the best of your ability, because this is the best way to get closer to Allah. When you read the Qur'an and know what you're reading without having to go to translation, and when you read the hadith and can be able to understand what the Prophet said ﷺ and commanded without having to refer to me or to someone else to translate it to you. You can take it straight from the hadith itself. And it's like the difference between the heavens and the earth, between someone who does not know Arabic and someone who does, and Allah knows best.